Hey folks, welcome back to my channel. This is Big Freaking Deal. Today we're gonna be doing an oil change on a 2014 Infiniti Qx80. So first step, you need to remove the plate under here that covers the oil filter. This is the plate right here, right there. So there's only two bolts that's holding it, three bolts that's holding it down. And this is what do you call it? These are 13s. And after that, you need the 14s to take this one out. So once you release these bolts here, slowly, so the oil doesn't spill too much. Just slowly until it starts to come out. Make sure your oil pan is ready to go to catch the oil. Slowly. I'm gonna have to put my phone down to show you guys this so I don't spill oil on myself. Alright, here we go. We got oil coming out. Let it fully drain before you go on out and get the filter out, so you can use the same pan and catch the one on the filter. Guys, don't forget to subscribe to my channel on DIY on your vehicle. Alright, so once we're done draining the oil, we pull this back in. Make sure you don't use a wrench or torque or whatever it is. Just use your hands, align it. Alright, once you use your hands, tighten it up and use one of these. Just give it a little firm tight, and that's about it. Don't tight too much. There you go. Now you are all ready to now take the filter out. Alright, to remove the filter you need one of these. It's like a filter grabber. You just put it in here and use your wrench, put it here and release it. Let me see if I can do that with one hand. Just a little bit. Give it a nudge. I gotta use both hands. Give me a second. Alright. Oh, here we are. Oil dripping from the filter. Slowly releasing it. Slowly releasing it so it doesn't come gushing out on you. Alright, that should be good. Alright. Okay, there we go. I let it drain out for a little bit. And then we have the new one. I have the new filter here to replace it. And gently place it back in place. Use your hand and tighten it up. Alright. There you go. just give it a little some wipe, wipe down some of the oil, and I think we should be good to go. Okay, I think that should be it for now. All right, now we'll go put the clean oil in. Okay, don't forget to put the plates back in. All right, so you're supposed to have 1, 2, 3, and 4 13mm. All that goes in here, and then that should hold the plate that covers the filter. We got our oil drained, filter changed. Now time to go and pour the clean oil. One thing I recommend, when you're changing your oil, you put the exact amount. Once you put the exact amount on it, you see this here? This is Lucas oil stabilizer. This thing right here, just like what it say, oil alone is not enough. So always get one of these when you change your oil. At least this is a quart. At least you can put half of this in your motor. Same place where you put the oil in. And this should stabilize your motor. And I also recommend, if you have a high mileage vehicle, try to put like the thicker oil on it and then pour some of this. Trust me, you're gonna love what this would do to your engine. Yep. So guys, don't forget, subscribe to my channel. This is why I keep bringing you guys some DIY things you can be doing in your car. If you have any question, don't hesitate to leave me a comment. Just subscribe to my channel. I'll keep bringing you guys content like this, anything that has to do with DIY on your vehicle. Once again, this is Big Freaking Deal, and we out. Thank you for watching. Peace.